Okay guys, this is summary of our previous session. First of all, we can navigate by using cd and enter folder name. To find what folders available in our current directory, we can use ls. There is three folders. I want to navigate in this hello udemy folder. To do it, cd hello. Now backslash space udemy, because we can't use direct space. Alright, now let's ls. There is also a folder called hello. Now I just want to go back to previous folder. We can use cd dot, or if we need to navigate in root folder, we can use single cd like this. Now let me navigate into this hello folder in hello udemy folder in desktop folder. To do it, we can use cd desktop / what's next, hello, next is backslash space udemy, again / hello. Now we are in hello directory. Okay, so I want to get path of this hello folder. To do it, we can use pwd command. Alright, this is our path for this hello folder. Now I just want to get readout of files and folders available in my previous folder called hello space udemy. To do it, we can use ls dot. Remember, there is one folder and one file. We can go back and we can check cd dot. Now these are them. Now let's go back to hello folder. Anytime if you need to choose previous one, you can use dot, and again if you need more, / dot. Alright, now I just want to get content and folders available in my desktop folder without navigating to it. In graphical interface, this is my desktop folder, and where I am in pwd in hello path. This. Now let's navigate hello udemy, and I am in hello folder. Now I just want to go back to desktop folder. To do it, we can use ls and dot. Now we are in hello udemy folder, and again / again dot. Now we will in desktop folder. So these are my folders in terminal. Also these are my folders. Okay, now I just want to hide my previous tasks. To do it, I can use clear command. Alright, but I can see previous tasks available on my top. To delete it permanently, if you're using a Mac OS, you can press command L for delete previous line, or command K for delete all. If you're using a Linux OS, you can press ctrl L for delete previous line, or ctrl K for delete all.